Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to share with you guys some things I've bought for my upcoming trip to Florida. Just one disclaimer, guys. I've been planning some of this stuff since actually our last trip. So some things I've actually been having. So it's not just all bought in 1 second. So I just wanted you guys to know that. All right, so let me quickly share some things that I bought from packwithme. So I got this little cute offer for my toddler. We are celebrating her birthday out there. So I got this outfit, guys, because we thought her birthday party theme was going to be Minnie Mouse original colors, but we are actually changed it, and she might still wear this though on the trip. But we actually just changed it to purple and pink because she loves purple. So I had originally bought her. I'll go ahead and show you that, even though it's not packwithme. I bought this little bathing suit for her on Amazon. I am still taking this as well. But I bought her the pink one so she could wear on her birthday and get in the pool with. I thought these were so cute. So she is going to wear that. And if you're wondering why I'm tossing everything on this side, just because it's new from a store doesn't mean it's clean. 9 out of 10 times they're actually really disgustingly dirty. I've worked retail, so please wash the clothes before you wear it. Thank you. All right, and then again from packwithme, I decided to go ahead and get these to wear as like PJs for my daughter, to be like, make it a little bit on the fun side for her, to first time she's sleeping elsewhere other than home. So I got her, well, I got me Mama Shark. She has Baby Shark and then Daddy Shark, which she's gonna be so happy about. She actually saw Mama Shark. She's like, "Oh my God, Mommy Shark, is Baby Shark there?" I'm like, "You're so cute." And then I also got us from packwithme these matching mommy and me sunglasses for me and her to match. Yes, I am this extra. Again, I've been buying this stuff for a while, guys. So um I literally been like shopping as soon as I see a deal, and this was on the deal, so I got both of these for $10. So me and her can match our sunglasses while we are out there. That's actually a really good bribing thing. My daughter loves matching us, so it kind of makes her excited. And then again with matching, I got these hats from packwithme. So I got again, we're gonna have a lot of pool days at my aunt's house, so I will have this one. Can you guys even see that? I'll have this one, and she will have this little one on. It's super duper cute. So imagine me and her in the pool, matching, living our little best lives on vacation. Are you kidding me? It's so cute. packwithme has some really good things. I'm not affiliated. I did not get sponsored or anything. I bought all this stuff with my own moolah. So yeah, I got these for us. I might find some other packwithme stuff, but I'm just gonna keep going to whatever's in front of me. This I actually bought at Ross, I believe a couple months ago. For Disney, I will actually do a video kind of like what I'm wearing to parks. I'm planning on wearing like a bodysuit, leggings, and something to kind of go on top. So this is one of them. I don't know which park I'm wearing what yet, but it's really cute in the back, just to kind of cover the sun and if it rains a little bit. I got this one. It was so cute. This one was only, I think, $16. Yeah, no, $14. Again, from Ross. And then for another day at the park, I got this one on Amazon, which I thought was super duper cute. Again, thin, nice material, very breathable, but I thought it was super duper cute to wear on top of a bodysuit and leggings. That's kind of the looks that I'm going for. I'm not super girly when it comes to how I dress for Disney. I'm not going to wear a dress. I actually don't like anything touching my legs, so I need to wear leggings. Yeah, I know, I'm weird. I got those. And then I did buy myself a bathing suit to wear on her birthday. I might just wear this in general, but it comes with shorts. I believe I got these on either Temu or Shein. I bought this one a long time ago, so I don't really remember, but this is what it looks like. It is so cute, and it matches her theme, and it also kind of matches her other bathing suit, but it matches the theme of her birthday party. we might just wear that in general throughout the trip. I bought this shirt. I believe I bought this one on Shein, which I thought was really, really cute. I also got this one on Shein. It says, "May the magic be with you." I was thinking of wearing this to Magic Kingdom, but I don't know yet. We will see. I got socks because I always buy socks before we go on any trip that I actually do not wash because it's just my feet. And then I got this for my husband. I think it's the only thing I actually bought for my husband other than the Daddy Shark. I got this at Walmart, I believe. Yes, it was $16.98. And he loved it, and he rarely loves things like this. So I was like, all right, so I got my husband this guy from Walmart. I got this one, I believe, Shein as well. It is kind of big, but I thought it was really cute with the castle. And then I don't even know what this is. Oh, I got myself some leggings for travel day, because they're like legging joggers. I didn't want to wear my tight pants on the plane, so I got these. They are high waisted. I'm gonna put a bodysuit underneath, and it has pockets, nice and comfortable for the flight, which is really, really important to me, which there's literally a plane passing us right now as well. But I got this guy. I know I'm trying to get through this fast. I just don't want to bore you guys, so I am trying to show you guys as much as I possibly can quickly. Right, again, I'm not going to show you toys or anything like that I got from my toddler or activities. I will be saving that for another video. I did get this little stash though, and it says birthday princess. I saw this at the Dollar Tree, and she actually kept one with her. So, all right, so let me take this guy out because this actually has a lot more stuff. Yeah, I know. This is mainly her clothes. Again, guys, I did not buy this all right now. We've been, we as in me, have been holding on to things since our last trip, and since I knew this trip was coming up. Anyways, so one thing that my mom did buy was air tags. I got some of these guys on Amazon, and then my mom actually bought these, and then I saw these, and she bought these and a purple one, which I don't know what it is. Oh no, my coffee. Let me get my coffee. Which we got these, which are super duper cute. We also got some purple ones, which I'm pretty sure I'll see in a little bit. That we are taking for her. She'll probably like to switch out the air tag, like the color of the actual little wristband. But she is wearing an air tag the entire trip whenever we leave. Whenever we leave my aunt's house. I also picked these up. I don't even know if I know they'll fit me, but I usually don't like wearing ears, so I'll probably be doing like a bow like this, nicer and neater. And like some of these, I think they will look so cute. And of course she could wear them as well. I'll probably wear the red ones, and she'll probably wear the pink ones, so mommy and her can match. I did the little Mickey's here. She was probably trying to play with this stuff, I'm pretty sure. All right, so I did get these, I believe, yeah, on Shein. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I got this shirt, and I got her little one to match mommy. We did get her a rain jacket. Actually, my sister-in-law bought her a rain jacket. I think she got it on Sam's Club, if I'm 100% sure. But this is definitely going with us for the trip so that she could be nice and comfortable. She is going to have two of these. One is, I don't know why I had to put it on. One's going on the airplane, obviously, and then one we're just gonna take with us to the parks as well. I feel like that one works better, but she likes the pink one, so I know, toddlers. I'm actually literally gonna go through all this and see what I'm actually keeping in another video, but I have to wash everything first. So we did get some PJs for her at Costco, which are super duper cute. They come with shorts and pants, which I think at my aunt's house we are going to keep her in pants because she does have rug, and she's not used to crawling on rug, so even though she walks, but you know, kids playing. And then we also got her this one. I gotta take that all out of the packaging. this is it now. We have bought her this dress, which is super duper cute. I'm trying to take only a couple dresses, so we'll see what I end up taking, guys. I did get her these shorts from Gap, which I can't wait to put on her. This is definitely going. There's a couple of little outfits in here that she had gotten, I believe, for her birthday that now actually fit her. This was from Costco last summer. I think they still have it though. I thought this outfit is so cute. So we're taking that. Again, we're washing everything. I'm not sure about this one yet. I don't know if she's gonna like the material of this one, but I have this one, which is so cute also. This one was from Walmart, I believe, last year. I feel like she's still too skinny for this top. And I think it's going to bother her, to be honest. So I'm going to actually put this to the side. I don't think we're going with that. Another cute Costco outfit. I still don't even know what she's gonna wear to the park, so I still need to decide all that stuff. Another one from Costco. I believe these came like in a pack of 4 or 3. So it wasn't single items. Oh, where did I buy this? I don't remember, but this is definitely going. Like, it's so freaking cute. I know it was an outfit. I just don't remember where we bought it, but it's so cute, and she needs to wear that. That's going to be adorable with her little pink Crocs that I got her. This one, I believe someone bought her. You guys, I'm really bad at this. I'm so sorry. But I love the material, and it's nice and soft. Actually, this might be really cute to take to Disney. I got her this shirt from Pat, and she is matching Mama. So that's that one. I did get her these. They were like $2 on Amazon. I have a pair that I was actually purchased before I had her. So I'm taking these. These are just going to go inside my diaper bag just in case we need to change shoes for whatever reason. I got this from, I believe, Walmart, just to put this on her when we get out like of my aunt's pool. See, I don't know about this one either. Even though I absolutely love this. I feel like the shirt's a little too big for her still right now. But it's super duper cute. I am still going to wash that one because she loves that one because she keeps saying it's mommy. This one was from this year. You can still get this at Target. I saw it a couple days ago. So we're taking this guy. This is just a solo shirt, which I thought was really cute. These are PJs. Honestly, these I don't even know where they came from. They're just random colored PJs. I think this is actually not random. Yeah, this is Anna and Elsa. These were all given to her from last year. With short sleeves. She actually prefers long sleeves to go to sleep, but I thought short sleeves would be perfect for Florida since she might be going outside in her PJs. I did get her a pack of new socks, and then she has her Mickey socks that her dad bought her, and these socks. Again, these are just things I bought, guys. Does not mean that all of this is going with us. I'm just saying this is stuff we've bought. I still gotta reorganize everything, so stay tuned if you guys want to see what I actually end up packing. I did buy her this bathing suit, which she's gonna be so excited to see the princesses. And then I did buy this one as well, which I'm still deciding if I want to take it because it doesn't have like something to quickly change your diaper. If I need to, I would need to take everything out, and I do not like that. I wish they made girl bathing suits easier to take off. And then her hat, again, I don't know if I'm taking this one yet. We will see. And then as of right now for travel day, I am thinking these leggings with this top from this was from Costco, with the hoodie, and this would be the only hoodie that I would take. I don't know. I might actually put this on her, and maybe the shirt that me and her match, so me and her can match on the way. Nah, I'll just keep it to what it is, just so that she can look nice and cute for her trip. That has like the little ears. I am still gonna take like probably one more sweater. A thin one though, even though I'm pretty sure it's going to be so hot. I did buy these last year. They were on clearance for like $5. She has a yellow one as well, but we are taking the pink ones. Not 100% sure if I'm taking this yet. It's the Solar Buddy. I might. I'm pretty sure I might. But the baby lizard that we've been using for her has actually been breaking her out. So I don't know if we're gonna take that one. And then for myself, I did buy a new pajama set, and I got this from Costco, and it comes with pants, short sleeves, straps, and like a cupboard. I just want to be comfortable, so I'm only taking really one set of PJ and then an additional pants just in case. I did buy myself this other bathing suit for me, which is just all blue, just to be nice and comfortable and covered. And then I did buy this for my toddler. I'll go ahead and show you guys. I think that's it that we really bought for the trip. It feels like not a lot, but it is a lot. Activities and all that stuff I will show you guys in other videos, but this goes on top of the tray on the airplane so that she can play. But I will show you guys all that stuff later on. We did also buy, I almost forgot, these guys. I love these. I just got 2 more additional ones that were like $7 each. They were on clearance. All right, so that is really all I bought clothes wise and a couple of other stuff for our trip to Disney. Again, guys, we are going for 10 days, 2 travel days. So we're going for 10 days, 8 days, 8 full days and 2 travel days. We are staying with family. We are not staying on property, and we are going again for 10 days, but only 2 days to the Disney parks. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for so much more videos to come regarding packing and prepping for my Disney Florida trip. Leave this emoji down below if you are still here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.